Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.2 Purple Edition on VMware Workstation. First go to Kali Linux official website and download. So kali.org. Now click on get Kali or download Kali. Either is same. See here, Kali is the open source Debian based Linux distribution geared towards various information security tasks such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics and reverse engineering. Click on download, then scroll down. See here we have the Purple Edition, and see here we have two options, direct download or by using torrent. I am going to download by using direct method. Click on it to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here the size is 4.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Okay, see here I have already downloaded Kali Linux installer Purple ISO image. So once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Now select the installer disk image file and click on browse to select the downloaded ISO image. Select it and click on open. Then click on next. Now select type as Linux and version as Debian because it is of type Debian distribution. So select the latest Debian version from this list. Then click on next. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Kali P means Purple VM 2025-2. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse and select the path where you have the enough space. Click on OK, click on next. Now provide the disk size, that is virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is a summary of the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to customize, click on customize. See, memory selected 2 gigabytes. I want to use 4 gigabytes. You can use this pointer to change the memory or you can provide manually. Number of C processors 2. I am fine. I am okay with that one. If you want to enable virtualization, you have to select the checkbox. Okay. If you are okay with all the settings, click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location from this list. If you are unable to find the location, click on other. Okay, continue. Select keyboard model, continue. Now we have to provide host name or computer name. Later also you can change this one. Then click on continue. If you have an existing domain name, you can provide. Otherwise, keep it as blank and continue. Now we have to create our setup user. I am giving user's full name as R2 schools. Then click on continue. This will be the username. Continue. Provide the password. Then click on continue. Select the time zone or clock from this list. See here, all time zones are based on US because we have selected country as United States. That's why it is showing these time zones. If you want to modify the country, click on back and back. Then you can edit the country name. Then click on continue. Now select the guided use entire disk and click on continue. Select the device disk and continue. all files in one partition, or do you have the different options? I am going with all files in one partition. Continue. This is confirmation, finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Select yes for the write changes to disk and continue. Now we have to select the desktop environment, and other are default applications. See here, the default desktop environment for Kali Linux is XFCE. If you want like GNOME or KDE Plasma, you can select. I am going with the default, so click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. Later it will ask us for the grub bootloader. Then after that it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Install the grub bootloader to your primary drive. Select yes and click on continue. Select the device and continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. So right click on this virtual machine settings, then go to CD DVD and select these both checkboxes, connected and connect at power on. Click on OK. Then click on continue to reboot. Now provide the username that we have created and password. Hit enter to login. Now click on this full screen mode. Now open terminal. Increase the font size. Click on OK. Click on apply. Then click on OK. Now verify the version that we have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Kali Linux 2025.2. Control A. Also verify the tools. See here we have the tools. All are same like normal Kali Linux. Okay. Now verify IP of this machine. ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Control A. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is going to upgrade on 30 packages and installing one dependency. Type for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.2 population on VMWare Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.